I'll pick up everything.
Rhymes on the beat.
This and there's the eggplant.
Fuck.
The eggplant.
This shit is testing. Yeah. Hey, am I supposed to cuss?
I don't know.
Oops. Language.
Okay, hi guys, it's Naf here with another video. So another branch. So today we're making fried rice, but the fried rice will miss a lot of ingredients because it's raining, and I don't know how it comes out. Will come out here, but we'll make fried rice, and we'll make the potatoes we made yesterday. So fried rice with the potatoes with the tea, and we'll see how it goes. So right now we'll have to go buy the ingredients. I don't know how we'll do it with the rain, but yeah, we'll find a way. So see you when we're back with the ingredients. So we're back from the market. We got some potatoes, eggplant, cilantro, there's peppers, garlic, capsicum, ginger, dark soy sauce, spring onions, eggs, and peanuts. So these and some of these are for the rice, fried rice. Then potatoes, I'll be making them separate. Then some of the potatoes I use them to try and make the recipe of fried eggplant. So yeah, so these are the stuff. So start the prep and get cooked. Okay, so I have prepared almost everything. It's still raining, it's so loud. So yeah, we have fried potatoes, these are eggplants, eggs, more potatoes here, the rice is there. Then yeah, I'll fry them, then we'll taste the meal. These are fried, definitely fried. But these two, you boil them first, except the green peppers, the capsicum, but the rest you boil them first. No, you steam them first, then you fry them. Okay, so let's get cooking.
Willy rhymes on the beat.
Thank you.
「
This shit smells so good, nigga. Yes, sir. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Make sure you go like, subscribe, share it with your friends everywhere on your social media. Just do what you gotta do and pull my boy Nuff's numbers out. Cause my boy Nuff is he really deserved the goal cause this food is golden as hell. This shit tasty. You really wanna taste this shit, I'm telling you. Slap.
Okay, this guy has already tasted the food, so we're done with the food. There's some fried rice. We didn't have chicken or pork or beef in it, but it's still
We'll figure the way out.
I still have confidence. Then there's fried potatoes. Then this actually hadn't planned to make this. This was the this was the first plan. Then we're like we're not sure.
Then this came out.
Then this came up. We're supposed to eat. It's fried eggplant with potatoes, capsicum. Then you're supposed to eat it with rice.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we're supposed to make that with rice, but add doubts.
Yeah.
So for me, I think we should. You've already tasted, but I think we should taste this.
Yeah, we should taste
Taste
that.
this. Okay.
I'm dying to.
Just try to take all of it. This. Me, I'll use the spoon. I'll pick up everything. This. And this is the eggplant. The eggplant.
This shit is tasty. Yeah. Hey, am I supposed to cuss?
I don't know.
Oops. Language. You gotta censor thing, innit? Just put it up. Put the censor
Flip
thing.
it out, man. Curry out.
This thing is nice. Really nice.
Yeah, where's mine?
Like really nice. Okay, now let's this is the first time I'm ever eating this or ever tasting it ever.
Even me. This is my first time I'm eating this
Or making
Chinese dish. Chinese
Yeah.
name. What is it called again? Eggplant.
There's a Chinese name they give us.
It's called He Hao Hie Chao. That's the name of the
That's
video.
racist, man.
I ain't trying to be racist though. Hey, I love my Chinese people. God bless, but stop killing black people. Bad.
Okay, now let me taste this. It's good. There's the nuts. You taste the
I
nuts.
tested everything, fam. I think you should just eat.
Don't forget about the rest.
Yeah. We should just eat.
The cameraman was like, "No, I also have to taste."
Yeah, man.
I don't know just video, but yeah, we're giving some food, so.
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, that's it for me for this video. This food is really nice. If we can make it, try it. I'll link up the recipe for this from where I got it, and yeah,
Exactly.
try it.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.
and share.
Share. Oh shit.
Leave a comment.
Oh, leave a comment. Oh, subscribing and following is the same thing.
Yeah.
God damn. Done. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment.
Yeah.
Down below. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So thanks for watching and cheers.